Welcome to today's tech tip. In this video, I'll show you how to configure the desktop mode on the OpenBoard software. Let's get started. When you first open the application, the default is the standard whiteboard mode. You must configure the software to run in the desktop mode so that it opens on your desktop first and you can annotate without going to the whiteboard. To do this, go into the OpenBoard menu in the upper right corner of the toolbar and select Preferences option. The first option you might consider changing is the location of the toolbar. You can choose to place the toolbar at the bottom of the screen instead of the top. This is very useful if you are using an interactive flat panel in your classroom. The second option you'll want to change is to have the OpenBoard launch using the desktop mode as opposed to the board mode. This way, you'll be able to annotate directly on your desktop when the application launches. These options will auto-save when you close the window. Now you can close the application and restart the program in the desktop mode. After you restart the program, you'll see your desktop first and will be able to annotate your content right away using the OpenBoard desktop Stylus Bar. You can type and annotate over any windows, programs, or documents that you have open on your desktop. You can highlight any text or images. You can erase your annotations. You can select a section or the entire desktop to add to your current whiteboard slide or image library. You can move your desktop stylus bar to the left or to the right. You can even minimize the stylus bar by dragging it off the edge of the screen to make it smaller. That's it for now. Try it out, and for goodness sakes, have fun.